Only one word can describe this. Wow. Hey everybody, this is Bob Fowler with MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. I'm talking about not anything but the legendary Wonder on Water. Wow, wow, wow. This, my friend, is the 420 Outrage, the legendary, the expansive bow with innovative seating galore throughout the entire boat. Sleeps comfortably, 4 people in the cabin. That's right, inside a walk-around center console. 4, I said 4, 350 horsepower Verado, Mercury Verado motors on the back. And this boat, as heavy as it is, as big as it is, will run about 50 to 55 miles per hour. Wow. The entire helm area, it can be enclosed with air conditioning or heating. You've just got so many features in this boat. It's so well equipped. The 420 is the champion at outboard entertaining, pleasure cruising, whether close to home or way offshore, whatever you want to do, this is the boat for you. It has so many inviting spaces to settle for the day, to yacht. You'll want to enjoy with family and friends, to fish, to bring in the big ones with the dive door, whatever you want to do. The Boston Whaler 420 Outrage can handle everything. It's got full electronics with open array radar. It's got the Axiom dual display 165s. It's got the Verado 350s with the joystick piloting, the Skyhook autopilot. I could go on and on. There's so many list of added options on this boat. It would take me 10 minutes to just go through the boat and give you all the options. But I tell you what I wanted to do. I wanted you to see this instead of seeing me. I wanted you to see this boat and the profile of it and just capture the beauty of this vessel and imagine being on the water with you and your family in this boat. It is just absolutely breathtaking, and I'm going to say it again. Are you ready? Wow. The legendary Wonder on the Water Boston Whaler 420 Outrage. For more information, you can go to our site at MarineMax Panama City Beach and bring up about 30 pictures and see in full inside the cabin, inside the helm, inside the cockpit, everything about this great boat. And you can call me, Bob Fowler, at 850-527-5645 or email me at bob.fowler@marinemax.com. Again, can we all say it together? Wow!